Deep in the Amazon rainforest, hidden beneath a canopy of towering trees, flows a river that defies logic. The Shanay-Timpishka reaches temperatures near boiling point. Steam rises into the humid jungle air as geothermal forces heat the water from deep within the earth. There is no volcano nearby, no lava fields, no artificial heating. Just the planet's internal energy, quietly surfacing through cracks beneath the forest floor. From above, the river appears calm, a ribbon of mist winding through endless green. But step closer, and the heat becomes undeniable. The water can reach temperatures hot enough to scald within seconds. For centuries, local communities have known about this rare phenomenon. To them, it is sacred, a place where the earth breathes. Scientists believe underground geothermal systems are responsible, though the exact source remains partially unexplained.